Hello kids, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn and write colors name and their spelling. So let's start. Violet color, green color, brown color, yellow color, black color, pink color, blue color, red color, orange color and light green color. So let's start. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink color. This is pink color. Green, this is green color, G-R-E-E-N, green color, green. Orange, this is orange color, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange color, this is orange color. Black, this is black color, B-L-A-C-K, black color. Brown color, brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown color, brown. Blue color, this is blue color, B-L-U-E, blue color, this is blue color. Violet color, this is violet color. Red color, this is red, R-E-D, red color, red. Yellow color, this is yellow color, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. Light green color, this is light green color, L-I-G-H-T, light, green, G-R-E-E-N, light green color. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you.